In this video, we're going to talk about some configuration options for table service. Let's click on Configuration and Order Types in your FireFly POS system and go to Table. Okay, the first option is to choose to use the room layout. Our room layout feature does require licensing, so if you don't have this feature licensed, please contact your account rep. You can name your sections if needed. This is more common if you're not using the table layout feature, as the table layout will have sections associated with it. Okay, server banking. Server banking means the servers will close out and settle the tickets and then keep the money until the end of their shift. If you set that to no, they'll be expected to close tickets to the register. The server bank amount is an initial amount that the servers can be assigned. This is optional. Do you want to allow tickets to close at the register? If you are using server banking, you probably don't want tickets to close to the register as well, as that'll get confusing as to which tickets are in the cash drawer and which ones are at the register. Okay, let's set an auto gratuity of 18% for parties of 6 or more. You can specify this to be on a gross or net ticket amount. Do servers keep tips? Yes or no? And does server keep your auto gratuity? Yes or no? Okay, now let's talk about how we're going to identify our tables. Do we require a table number? Yes. Do we require a section? Again, if you're not using the layout screen, a section might be helpful to keep track of where this order belongs. Would you like to enter the number of people? That's another option. You can also choose to enter the customer name or do a full customer lookup, which is unusual for table service. Finally, do we want to allow tabs? This is common in a bar environment. Allows you to take a credit card ahead of time and then finalize the order when the customer's done. We've got two additional features here we can activate. Hold and fire printing, which allows you to put items on hold and then fire them to the kitchen later. And then order by seat, so that you can put each individual customer's food items on an individual seat tab that you can later use to print and pay separately. Once you've activated these features that you want, go ahead and save changes. We'll cover how to set up your table layout in the table layout video. So for now, you've got your table's orders set up.